Remember, the BJP cited proof. It's shown pictures of Tushar Goyal, the main accused in this case, with some senior Congress leaders, including Bhupinder Singh Hooda and KC Venugopal as well. Now, Bhupinder Hooda has come out with a reaction while citing what the BJP continues to ask. He says, merely being seen by someone in photographs doesn't mean anything. Listen in.
अनिल जैन के साथ भी फोटो से क्या मतलब तो कैसा पत्रकार है क्या फोटो से क्या
Going across to Sharon, my colleague joining us with more. Sharon, tell us a little bit about the comment that's come in from Bhupinder Hooda, because BJP continues to flash these pictures and say, explain this.
Well, Bhupinder Singh Hooda says the same thing that the Congress party has been saying since morning, that the pictures that has been shown by the Bharatiya Janata Party, where the main accused in the drug syndicate case, Tushar Goyal, is seen with, be it with KC Venugopal, Dipendra Singh Hooda, Bhupinder Singh Hooda, these leaders have a public life. They have to meet hundreds of people on a daily basis, and maybe in such an instance is when such picture could have been taken. Or secondly, the person who is in question, the accused in the question, was also in fact one of the chairperson of the RTI department. So it is very much possible that at some party event he would have met these leaders and would have taken the picture, but then by 2022 he was expelled from the party. Even he was expelled from the primary membership of the Congress party. So there is no substance to the allegation that is being made by Bharatiya Janata Party, is what the Congress party is saying. And the same sentiments have been echoed by Bhupinder Singh Hooda when this question was asked to him. He also maintains that anyone can click picture with anyone. This does not prove anything, is what Bhupinder Singh Hooda has been saying.
There seems to be consensus on one thing, which is that Tushar Goyal was expelled from the party's primary membership in 2022. Many thanks, Sharon, for joining us with the latest. We are in a very short break with that. We'll be right back with lots more. Keep watching.